This high-speed racing machine begins with raw materials, transformed through precision manufacturing and relentless control.
We're showing a discrepancy on sensor 7.
The airflow simulation doesn't match the live data here.
It's the gurney flap angle. I'll adjust the calibration now.
Apply the specified torque now.
Confirmed. Green light on channel 3.
VDS bad specs over that.
The layup process requires absolute precision. Every carbon sheet must align perfectly before the resin is applied by the automated system.
We're still getting interference on the lower wishbone mount.
Okay, I see it on the diagram. Try adjusting the rear bolt by 2 degrees. Clearance is checked via scan. Looks good on the AR overlay.
Confirmed on the tablet, all green for integration.
Final torque applied. The tolerance is off the 0.2 here.
We need to recalibrate the sensor array before the next run.
These tires are engineered for extreme speed, built from specialized compounds to deliver maximum grip under intense forces.
Angle of attack is 4.2 degrees.
We are within tolerance. check the center legality hole measurement.
It's reading 5.9 millimeters.
Within tolerance, floor looks good.
All right, steady. On three. 1, 2, 3. Got it. It cleared the edge.
Steady on the drop.
Copy. Easing the tension.
Green indicator's solid. We're docked.
The engine is carefully mounted as a load-bearing component,
Confirmed alignment.
connecting performance with the car's
Engaging
structure.
magnetic lock.
Check the telemetry spike on channel 4. Are we stable?
Solid connection here, boss. Looks like we are green across the board.
The rear left alignment is still showing a variance of 0.02 millimeters.
Rerunning the scan now. The thermal data looks stable though.
Panel secure on the left side.
Confirming power connection to the main loom.
The paint process combines precision robotics and controlled environments, applying multiple layers for protection, weight control, and aerodynamic smoothness.
In this massive facility, human precision and robotic efficiency merge to create the next generation of Formula One cars.
Harness and seat inserts checked and secure.
Verified. Run the wheel alignment check.
Solid engagement, ready.
The front geometry is verified within tolerance.
Rear alignment confirmed. We are good to go.
S3, K2 confirmed. Paddles working. Testing the quick release.
System secure. Calibration complete.
Torque on the front left is good.
Copy that. Moving to the rear diffuser scan now.
Check. Steering angle is calibrated.
Rake is stable at 1.2.
Copy
that. Making the toe adjustment now.
Okay, we're clear underneath. Get the arm moving.
Copy that. Bringing the tire in. Watch your spacing.
Let's review the assembly sequence. Pay close attention to the updated safety procedures shown here.
I have a question about this component's tolerance.
If you enjoyed this documentary, please like the video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes engineering stories.